Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message on Elementor form submission. So you have created a form using the form builder application Elementor, and all the submissions that you received, you want to send a WhatsApp notification to each and every individual on a successful submission. So you can create a complete automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, where you will learn to integrate these two applications directly. And here our trigger will be the new form submission received from the Elementor forms, and our action will be to send template message on WhatsApp with the help of AiSensy. Let us learn how to do that. So let us learn that how you can send a WhatsApp notification to all the customers or clients who have filled this form that is created in your Elementor form builder application with the help of AiSensy, which is an application you're going to use to send a WhatsApp message. Let us quickly sign in into our account, so that we will reach this place where I can see all the applications provided to you by Pabbly, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create this automation. Click on Access Now and we will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Reaching here, you will be able to see a big blue button on your right side where it is written Create Workflow. Click on the button and give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as Send WhatsApp Notification to Elementor Form Submissions. Click on Create, and then a blank workflow will be created for you, like you can see on your screen. You will be able to see Trigger and Action, the two major modules of Pabbly Connect on which the complete automation runs. Trigger will be the first application where the event will take place, and when this happens as Trigger says, then the action application will perform the assigned action, that is do this. So that event happens and action will do this. For that, make sure you open your Elementor forms and also your AiSensy, so that it will be easy for you to connect both these applications to Pabbly Connect and also to make some required changes for this workflow. Let us begin. Choose your trigger application as Elementor over here, because that is where the form will be submitted and this response will be received. And once that happens, the form submission, which is the trigger event, will take place. Then the action application, which is going to be WhatsApp by AiSensy, will send a WhatsApp template message to the customer or the client whosoever has filled the form. So let us begin with the trigger. Once you select the trigger event over here, a new form submission, then the webhook URL is provided by Pabbly Connect to you. Now, this webhook URL acts like a bridge between both the applications, your trigger application and Pabbly Connect, in such a way that you're going to connect this webhook URL with your Elementor forms over here. And then what you will do is that whenever this form submission is received, then the response will be brought over here as a webhook response. And then using that data or the contact number of the customer or client, a WhatsApp message of confirmation will be sent to them. So let us begin. Follow these instructions in order to learn how to integrate both the applications using webhook URL. Copy this one from here. Go to your Elementor and select your form. Once you start editing this form, you will have various fields over here. Select Actions after Submit and choose Webhook over here. Alright, you can click on this plus button and that's how you can choose. You can see it is already selected over here. Close this one and move ahead to Webhook. Now you will see a Webhook URL is already connected over here. So I'm going to erase the existing one and paste the new one I have recently copied, and it is on. I will click on Update, and this is how my integration is complete. Now, because it is waiting for a webhook response, I will go and fill up this form right now over here. Alright, and this form submission will be brought over here as in my workflow as a response. Let us fill the form. Since you can see the form is for a music concert, and therefore I have filled the form being a client or a customer who's looking for the details of group passes. Click on Book My Table and the form will be submitted. Now here we will wait for the response, and here is the response. See, the form name is given over here. The name we entered as a customer is demo user. Scroll down and you will find the contact number, and this is the detail or the additional information. Then we have the mobile number and the email address as well. So now, since we have received all the data from the customer, and as a trigger response, we will use the contact number to send a confirmation and the additional details about the question of the customer by WhatsApp using AiSensy. Let us move ahead with the action application. Click on Connect so that you can connect Pabbly Connect to AiSensy and use the data which is in the workflow of Pabbly Connect as a trigger response to send the data via AiSensy to WhatsApp as a message. Now for connection, you will need an API key. Go to your AiSensy, click on Manage from the left panel, and here you will find API key. Now, if you want, you can regenerate a new one over here, or you can copy the existing one from here and paste it in your workflow. Click on Save, and your connection will be established. Now, since your connection is complete with AiSensy, you will need to fill a little details over here, like campaign name, mobile number, username of the person to whom you're sending the message, and the template parameter. These are some of the important fields that are supposed to be filled. Now, which template you're going to use, because we are going to send a template message, which means that the message is already prepared for you. Go to campaigns, and here are the various campaigns created. Now, you can see the campaigns here, dear, and the variable is given, and then all the details are given. And these 1 and 2 inside curly brackets are the variables that will be changed with the new detail. So I'll go back and find a new one over here. See, this is the one. Hello, the person. Your submission from this email address is received successfully. All right, so you can take, for example, this template, or if you want, then you can create a new campaign. I'm going to use the new leads one over here. Let us open the campaign and copy it from here, because this is my campaign name that I will be pasting over here. All right, now you can remove the extra miscopied part from here. Mobile number will be straight away mapped from our responses. Then we need the username. So again, username can be mapped over here. This is the username. You can read name of the user to whom campaign has to be sent. All right, now we need a template parameter. Since we have selected this template over here, the parameter will tell us that what will come in the first place, in the second place, and if you have multiple variables, then accordingly. So what you will do is, first is the name of the person. So map the name, which is here, put a comma, and then put the next value, which is the email address. So you can map it from here. Now, why do we map these values? So that every time a new response or a new form submission is received, then this entered data will be exchanged by the fields. All right, so we have entered the sufficient details over here. All the other details are not required, only the required ones are paid attention, and the rest of the details depend upon your requirement of the situation. Click on Save and Send Test Request, and you will receive a response that the message has been sent. Here we have the response which says success. The value is true, which means our message has been sent. Now let us close this window and check our WhatsApp message. Have we received it or not? So here is our message. Let's see, this is the number. Registration successful. Hello demo user. Your form submission with this email address is received successfully. Regards. So which means that we have received the message on WhatsApp as a notification of the form submission done by this user and this email address. That means that this automation works completely fine. As soon as a new form submission is received from Elementor Forms, then a WhatsApp message will be sent using AiSensy. So this was the whole video. I hope this helped. Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.